Hey everyone, today we are here at Magic Kingdom to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Space Mountain. This is an iconic classic attraction, and I thought today we would go over all the history, fun facts, and even get to ride the attraction itself. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Now, let's first talk about the history of Space Mountain, because when it comes to attraction overall, this actually didn't begin with just creating Space Mountain. It actually was inspired by one popular attraction known as Matterhorn Bobsled.
After the massive success of Disney's Matterhorn Bobsled, Walt Disney decided that he wanted to do another roller coaster, this time a voyage through outer space, where this would become Disney's first ever fully enclosed coaster with an eye-catching exterior, as it was required, where Disney legend John Hench began to design the architecture for this attraction. He'd come up with the design of a conical dome with exterior steel beams, which represented the dispersing of energy by lifting a car to a certain height and letting it run out by gravity, both being practical and visually appealing. This hoped-for experience would not only feature 4 trains blasting in and out around the attraction, but also be bigger and more advanced than its predecessor. Unfortunately, there was one issue, and that was the technology. It wouldn't be until 1971 when Disney decided to go all in on their first expansion in Magic Kingdom with Space Mountain. They decided to work with Aero Development Company, the same company that helped design Matterhorn roller coaster systems years before, and with the right amount of available land, construction for this ride began in December 1972. Construction would take 2 years, where it was 183 feet tall and 300 feet in diameter. And finally, on January 15th, 1975, there was the grand opening of Magic Kingdom Space Mountain, along with the grand opening of Carousel Progress just right next door, where for this event there was a 2,000 member marching band, balloons, fireworks, and even NASA astronauts with Gordon Cooper, James Irwin, and Scott Carpenter.
And with the attraction itself, you're going up 65 feet tall, and the attraction speed is actually 27 miles per hour. And just for comparison, Barnstormer is 25 miles. So we're going to go ahead and ride Space Mountain and see if this is still an incredible, timeless attraction.
Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops. For a safe space flight, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, and neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expectant mothers should not ride, and passengers who not meet the minimum height requirement may not ride. Be sure to supervise children at all times. And remember that passengers in wheelchairs must transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch. Thank you, and enjoy your flight. Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops. For a safe space flight, you should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, and neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expected mothers should not
Space Shuttle, this is Flight Safety. Keep your hands on the handle when it's time to use the inside your vehicle until you come to a complete stop. Docking crews stand by to initiate.
And now, as soon as we're exiting, you have your photos, and then you have the post show right here. As soon as you're walking down, we can see this baggage claim right here, along with the lost and found redistribution system, along with command center. And then right here, yeah, this post show area where you explore Mercury Peak in Galactic Park. And then as soon as we head over here, there's then Crater Caverns, and we can even see the dog right there. You have coral moons of Pisces 7, where it's all looking so beautiful right now, and I love this area. It's so cool seeing these little areas. And then last but not least, there is Constellations, the City of Stars, right here, showing City of Future. And we just got out of Space Mountain. That whole entire ride was so amazing, and really with Space Mountain, it is a fun ride. It is a classic for a reason, where it's thrilling and fun at the same time. It's not too fast, and for a 50-year-old attraction, still holds up to this day. I think when it comes to legacy overall, Space Mountain has become so popular that Disney adapted this attraction at many of its other parks. For example, in Disneyland, they opened that attraction May 27th, 1977. And then it went international to Tokyo Disneyland on April 15th, 1983, opening at the same day as Tokyo Disneyland opened their theme park. And then for Disneyland Paris, they had a very unique Space Mountain, because in 1995, 3 years after its first grand opening, Space Mountain from the Earth to the Moon, and then we also have Hong Kong Disneyland Park having their own version of Space Mountain, opening on September 12th, 2005. But I think with that being said, that is going to be a wrap. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your thoughts on Space Mountain? I would love to know. And if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you watch this video up next, since that is all about the history of Disney's Hollywood Studios. But until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.